Hello everyone, this is Family English with Mr. Kabada. This lesson I'm going to present about English for grade 12 university entrance exam questions. So I should have prepared 50 questions. Some of the questions are grammar questions and some are vocabulary and some are writing questions, and the rest questions are communicative questions. So as usual, I'm going to just read the question and I'll give you just giving some time to answer the question, and finally I'm intended to give a clear explanation or clarification why the answer is A, B, C or D. I hope you stay with me, please. The first question is a grammar question here. By the time we arrived at the cinema, the movie blank. By the time we arrived at the cinema, the movie blank started and had started, and was starting. Past tense, present perfect, past perfect, and past continuous here. By the time means when the time or when, all right? When we arrived at the cinema, this is an afterward action or second action. There was an action that had earlier happened. So that kind of event can be expressed with the past perfect here. Ziga ምን ማለት ነው? Ziga second action ነው, afterward action ነው። ወይም በሌላ አገላለጽ simple past ትሉታላችሁ። ይሄንን ልክ ሲኒማ ቤቱ ደርሼ እንደነበር ነው የሚለው። ሙቪው had already started፣ ፊልሙ ምን ሆኗል? ጀምሯል ነው። ስለዚህ ፊልሙ ጀምሯል ማለት የፊልሙ መጀመር first action ነው። እኔ ወይም እኛ ሲኒማ ቤቱ መድረስ second action ነው። ቶታሊ ይሄ አረፍተ ነገር የሚያወራው ስለ past perfect አጠቃቀም ነው። ፍንጭ የሰጣችሁ የትኛው ነው? One, the conjunction by the time. Second, we arrived at the cinema, which is simple past. It go with past perfect. Maybe it go with the past continuous. Sometimes it go with simple past with simple past. But in this case, the definition, the exemplification, the context matters to use past perfect. Nice. She speaks English blank than her brother. Degrees of comparison question here. More fluently, most fluent, fluently, more fluent. Yeah, right. Clear question. There is the word done here, which we think of two things, please, or two persons. The first one is she herself, and the other is her brother. Okay. So there is a need of comparative degree about the way they speak English. How much or how, in what way do they speak English? All right. ስለዚህ የሁለቱን የእንግሊዘኛ ንግግር ነው ያወዳደረ ያለው። ስለዚህ most fluent አይሆንም and also fluently አይሆንም። ምክንያቱም ዛን አለ ማለት degrees of or comparative degree ተጠቅማላችሁ ነው። ፎርሙን ነገር ይችላልው። yes that's called more longer syllable ከሆኑ more plus adjective or one ማን ሊሆን ይችላል? adverb ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይሄ ነው right። ከዛ በኋላ ማን ተጠቀማላችሁ? ዛን። this is the right structure please. More if the word is ዚጋ ያለው ቃል longer syllable ከሆነ ወይም ዚጋ ያለው adverb longer syllable ከሆነ more እንጠቀማለን። that's it right። ስለዚህ adverb ነው የጠየቃችሁ ዚጋ more fluently። so fluently is called an adverb። ምን ማለቱ ነው? ዚጋ fluently ስንል ቅድም in what way or in what manner does she speak English fluently። ስለዚህ ይሄ adverb የሚፈልገው የሷን የንግግር ሁኔታ የእንግሊዘኛ ንግግር ሁኔታ ነው ማወቅ የፈለገው። ይሄ ደግሞ adverb of degree ነው። adverb of manner ነው። manner adverb please። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው? more fluently ነው የምትሉት please። ምክንያቱም ጥያቄው how does she speak English fluently ነው። ቨርቡን ነው ሞዲፋይ መደረግ የፈለገው። even እዚህ ጋር እንኳን adjective ቢሆን መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም please። more fluent ሊሆን አይችልም because more fluent ካላችሁ የሷን የንግግር ሁኔታ ሳይሆን አይዘር እሷን ነው የሚገልጸው፣ ካልሆነ the subject English ነው የሚገልጸው። ግን ጥያቄው ይሄን አይደለም እየፈለገ ያለው። so the answer is more fluently please. Question number 3. If I blank you, I would apologize immediately. conditional question here. Very easy, common question, please. Yeah, that's always appear for in entrance exam, remedial exam, exit exam. This common grammar, but which is very common question actually. The first case is conditional if clause, but the second is the main clause. I would apologize with the plus verb 1. If it is verb plus or would plus, should plus, could plus, might plus, verb 1, the if clause should be simple past 1 and 1, please. Yeah? ምክንያቱም ሜይን ክሎዙ ላይ ውድ ወይ ኩድ አሁን ከተጠቀምን ሲምፕል ፓስቱ ምን መሆን አለበት? በሲምፕል ፓስት ብቻ ነው፣ ወይም ኢፍ ክሎዙ በሲምፕል ፓስት ብቻ ነው የምንገልጸው። if I were you, if I were you, if I were you, not I was you, please። በኮንዲሽናል ህግ በአብዛኛው ኮመንሊ ዌርን ነው የምጠቀመው አን ሪያሊቲ ስለሚገልጽ ማለት ነው። if I was you ብለን አንገልጽም። if I was you ማለት ፕሮባቢሊቲ የመሆን ፕሮባቢሊቲ ሊኖረው ስለሚችል so the answer is if I were you but not I was you አንልም። አሁን ራይት ነው። if clause simple past ነው። main clause past or conditional plus bare infinitive verb ነው። implied meaning simple present ነው። if I were you I would apologize immediately. I'm not you አይደለም። ስለዚህ I can't apologize immediately apologize ማድረግ አልችልም ማለት ነው። intend to please. The man blank car was stolen, reported it to the police. The man blank car was stolen, reported to the police. Yeah. Who, which, whose, and whom. Exactly. The subject here is the man, is person actually, is person. If the speaker is person, we had better use the correct relative pronoun who, whom, whose, and that. These are the only please. አራቱን ብቻ ነው የምትጠቀሙበት ስፒከሩ ያረፍተ ነገሩ ባለቤት ሰው ከሆነ ፐርሰን ከሆነ ከዛ ውጭ ከሆነ ደግሞ ሌሎች ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውኖች ነው። ሶ ሁን የምትጠቀሙት እዚህ ጋር የሚጠይቃችሁ ሁር ካር ነው። this is possession ነው። ይሄን በነገራችን ላይ possession ነው። possession ሲሆን ደግሞ የትኛውን የምትጠቀሙት ሁስ የሚለው ነው የምትጠቀሙት። ያ ሁስ ያ ሁስ ምን ማለት ነው ማለት መሰላችሁ? ሂስ ማለት ነው ማለት እንደዚህ ነው። ይሄው ያ ሁስ it is a relative pronoun. It substitutes the possessive adjective his, her, it is, one's, their, our, my. This is እንዲተካን ማለት ነው። Instead of using his, we can substitute whose. And the next word here is a noun, which shows about possession, belonging, proprietor here. That's the logic behind it. Whenever you are using whose, it's always followed by noun, and it substitutes with possessive adjective. It shows belonging. This is an exceptional definition for whose. ሌሎቹ which subject ለምሳሌ ከሰው ውጭ ሲሆን whom object of the verb ሲሆን እዚህ ላይ noun phrase ነው። belonging on ownነስን አይገልጽም። whom እንጠቀም ከሆነ ለምሳሌ the man whom I know is my neighbor ሊል ይችላል። the man whom I know is my neighbor. whom ስጠቀም the man who works next to my office is my brother. Right? I can just use. So there are different purposes, please. Question number 5. She suggested blank. She suggested blank to the museum instead of the park. Go and to go, going and went. She suggested to go to the museum. She suggested going to the museum. Yes, to go to the museum because this is infinitive ይዞ የሚሄደው ስለዚህ 2 plus verb 1 ነው suggest ይዞ የሚሄደው please. Not only blank late, but he also forget his homework. Yes, not only blank late, but he also forgot his homework. Yes, not only he was he, did he be, and he did be. So there is an exceptional rule for this one. If a sentence we can be combined with not only but also, there are some exceptional rules here. So whenever the sentence begins with not only, it's true to use that inversion of the verb and the subject. Exactly. So instead of using for he did or he was he, did he, or where, or was he, or is he, the right way please. That is the grammatical context, the grammatical rule whenever a sentence begins with this kind of correlative conjunction. So from this sense, the answer is exactly here. Yes, right. Inversion. Not only did he be late, but he also forgot his homework. There is sentence parallelism here. One is here, simple past in the first case, and the other simple past in the second case. there is parallel sentence which has meaning, please. The logic behind, as I told you repeatedly, is inversion is true for not only whenever sentence begins with not only. So that's the rationale behind why I use did he be exactly, please. I would rather you blank smoke in here. I would rather you blank smoke in here. Alright, I would rather you don't smoke in here. You didn't smoke in here. You will not smoke in here. You not smoke in here. This is not the right expression, and you cannot use not without any kind of maybe auxiliary or primary or modal auxiliary. Not cannot go with alone. ሊመጣ አይችልም ብቻውን ተከትሎ የሚመጣው ነገር ከሌለ በስተቀር Yes, I would rather you didn't smoke. Yeah, you didn't smoke in here, please. You don't smoke. Right. I would rather you didn't smoke in here. Yeah, right. Meaningful no. You don't smoke in here. ባታጨስ ጥሩ ነበር ይሄን ባታረግ እመርጣለሁ ነው I would rather you didn't smoke in here እንደዚህ ባታረግ የተሻለ ነበር I prefer you didn't smoke in here ማለቱ ነው right you don't ማለት አሁን ነው አሁን ኢቨንቱ ገና አልተከናወነም ፊውቸሪቲ ነው እየገለጸ ያለው ይሄ ግን an action happened but the content of the question refers about something that happened in the past is talking about preferences I would rather you didn't smoke in here is the right word please exactly question number 8 the new policy blank is aimed at reducing pollution has been widely criticized that who which and what the question is a relative pronoun question actually I told you the use of that is it refers about both person and things in short it substitutes the use of who whom and which as true please yeah the new policy it's not person it's not the doer of the action but it's the agent the sentence begins with receiver or agent so we'd rather use and maybe not what actually because what is not a relative pronoun that is not the right word please because look here there is a comma between the main clause and the relative clause which is called non-restrictive or non-defining clause here non-defining clause if the sentence is non-defining clause that is or that doesn't complete for this question because even though that substitutes the use of which whom and who but in this case it's different from the rationale that I explained please because this is non-defining so that is aimed at reducing is completely wrong so this is not the answer please and the other what is not relative pronoun so it cannot be or it can't complete the question completely wrong we focus on here who and which who cannot answer the question because the speaker here is agent receiver so who is not the answer so the answer is which exactly that is the way we answer the kind of question please nice question number 9 yes number 9 by next summer they belong in this house for 10 years of course by በተደጋጋሚ የሚከሰት የጥያቄ አይነት ነው ይሄ ኤክስፔክትድ ታይምን የሚገልጽ ነው ኤክስፔክትድ ታይም ማለት ምንድነው ኢቨንቱ በተወሰነ ገደብ በተወሰነ ቀን ኮምፕሊት ሊያደርግ የሚችልን ጉዳይ የምንገልጽበት ታይም ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው ባይ ኔክስት ሰመር ማለት ስለዚህ ፊውቸር ፐርፌክት ብቻ ነው የምትሉት ፊውቸር ፐርፌክት ነው ፊውቸር ፐርፌክት ሌላ ሊሆን አይችልም ይሄ ዊል ሊቭ ሲምፕል ፊውቸር ነው ሃቭ ሊቭድ አይሆንም አር ሊቪንግ ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስ ፊውቸር ፕላንድ አክሽን ቢሆንም ግን ሃቭ ኦልሬዲ ዲሳይድድ ነው ፕላንድ አክሽን ነው በት ይሄ ፕላንድ አክሽን አይደለም an action will have completed by the expected time in the past in the future ማለት expected time ይሄ ነው ስለዚህ future perfect is the right hardly blank the door when the phone rang hardly blank the door when the phone rang had I closed inversion I had closed past perfect did I close simple past I closed simple past but the structure here is different I explained before please this is an inversion hardly which is negative meaning almost no hardly means almost no please here when the phone rang means simple past short action and afterward action so the first action should be completed within past perfect but the right structure is not true here just that means hardly had closed is wrong please hardly had I closed ቅድም ልክ እንዳልኩት አሁን እያብራራው ባለው ጉዳይ hardly negative meaning ነው ወይም negative adverb ነው almost ነው የሚል ትርጉም ነው የሰጠው hardly ልክ እንደዚህ አይነት ትርጉም ከሰጠው ከተጠቀምን ባረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ከመጣ inversion ነው የምንጠቀመው inversion ለconditional type 3 እና ለconditional type 2 sometimes ለእንደዚህ አይነት event እንጠቀማለን ነው ስለዚህ hardly I closed the door when the phone rang አልከፈትኩትም ማለት ነው አይደል hardly I closed the door hardly አልተዘጋም ማለት ነው yes hardly I closed the door when the phone rang yes hardly I had closed the door no meaning actual right sentence structure አይፈልግም ይሄ exceptional ህግ ነው so the right answer here is ምክንያታቸው ምንድነው inversion ማለት ነው yes inversion ማለት ነው question number 11 she's looking forward what's the structure of forward when forward is in a sentence forward የሚለው ባረፍተ ነገር ላይ ከመጣ አስከትሎት የሚሄደው to sing ብቻ ነው ያ an infinitive plus gerund right the higher the temperature blank the liquid evaporates faster past no comparative the faster parallel comparative more fast we don't have this kind of structure because fast by itself is short syllable adjective it never add the prefix more fast የሚለው short syllable word ነው prefix more ሊወስድ አይችልም ታዲያ ምንድነው የምትሉት faster er ብቻ ነው የሚመጣው ተበላሸ ሰንተንሱ fastest ይሄ ሐሳብ superlative degree አይደለም they had ዲጋ ሰጣችኩ they had the temperature ምንድነው የምትሉት ይሄን they have the temperature which is one clause so the clause is expressed or the clause is expressed within parallel the plus comparative so the next clause should be completed in the first case please all right የመጀመሪያው completed በሆነበት structure ሁለተኛው clauseም completed መሆን አለበት ይሄን ስትሉ ምን ማለት ነው parallel comparative ማለት ነው the faster ነው የምትሉት the faster yes the higher the temperature the faster the liquid evaporates so the temperature is very high ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት the temperature is very high so the liquid or it evaporates highly ነው የምትሉት yes it evaporates highly exactly ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚለው እዚህ ጋር ነው አሁን የሰጠዋችሁ ማብራሪያ more clear ያደርገዋል each of the student blank responsible for their own assignment each subject verb agreement yeah a sentence begins with each of especially indefinite pronoun yes none of some of neither of either of both all of or each of either of and also please and also nobody something anything everything all except some indefinite pronouns most of the indefinite pronoun take or agrees with singular verb exactly so from this perspective each is a singular indefinite pronoun so the answer is exactly what it is yes each of the student is no matuluk each of the student is responsible for their own assignment እያንዳንዱን ተማሪ የሚገልጽ ሐሳብ ነው ስለዚህ subject verb agreement singular verb ይወስዳል ሌሎቹ plural form ነው ያላቸው አይሆንም ማለት ነው please question number 14 blank in the rain she caught a bad cold yes right caught catching past participle and present participle simply simple present and perfect participle ምንም የሚከብድ ጥያቄ አይደለም past participle ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው two things happened almost at the same time ማለት ነው ማለት yes caught in the rain he caught a bad cold caught in the rain he caught a bad cold sometimes it seems a tongue twister catching in the rain no meaning because this is present participle but the second clause is simple past they never go each other like this እንደዚህ ሊመጡ አይችሉም ስለዚህ ጥያቄው የፓስት ፓርቲሲፕል ጥያቄ ነው መልሳችሁ caught in the rain he caught a bad cold that's the right answer please question number 15 they have never visited Europe blank that question very clear question what is the verb here had never which is negative sentence so the third question is positive yeah ሁለት ህጎች አሉት third question ስታስቡ ስቴትመንቱ ፖዚቲቭ ከሆነ third questionአችሁ ኔጌቲቭ ነው ስቴትመንቱ ኔጌቲቭ ፖዚቲቭ ከሆነ ታግ ኩዌስችናችሁ ኔጌቲቭ ነው የሚሆነው ስለዚህ they have never visited Europe ካለ ኔጌቲቭ ስቴትመንት ነው ስለዚህ ታግ ኩዌስችናችሁ ምንድነው የሚሆነው ፖዚቲቭ ታግ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ስለዚህ ማን ነው የምትሉት have they ብላችሁ የምትመጡት have they because you depend on the verb in a given sentence please the verb in a given sentence which is primary auxiliary verb ነው have never visited or we can say present perfect ማለት ነው ማለት ስለዚህ how they know የምትሉት because never by itself is negative word formation or negative adverb ነች never nice the test was blunt difficult that most of the students failed at that this is an adverb question here an adverb question the test was difficult that most such difficult that is it possible or so difficult that most students feel very difficult that too difficult that actually very and too ይሄን ጥያቄ ኮምፕሊት ሊያደርጉ አይችሉም ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ዛት ክሎዝ አለ ይሄ ዛት ክሎዝ የሚፈልገው ሁለት ጉዳይ ነው either such ነው የሚፈልገው ካልሆነ ማን ነው የሚፈልገው sozen ነው የሚፈልገው ያ በጣም ጥሩ so ካል ደግሞ adverb ነው adverb ከሆነ adjectiveዎችን adverbዎችን verboችን ነው modify የሚያደርገው such adjective ነው adjective ስለሆነ ደግሞ ማን የሚገልጸው singular noun ወይም mass noun ነው የሚፈልገው ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር there is no noun between the adjective and the that clause እዚህ አካባቢ ላይ noun የለም please እዚህ አካባቢ ላይ noun የለም ከሌለ such ሊሆነኛ አይችልም so እዚህ አካባቢ ምንም አይፈልግም adjective አለ ይህ adjective modify ማድረግ የሚገባው በየትኛው ቃል ነው so በሚለው ብቻ ነው የሚሆነው ለምሳሌ ይህን ጥያቄ ልቀይረው yes let me check the question it is look here it is such a difficult question yeah it is such a difficult question that ይቀጥላል look here ታያችኋል it is such yes it is such a difficult question here it is such a difficult such a that ማለት ቀደም ልክ እንዳልኩት adjective ነው ስምን ነው modify የሚያደርገው such a ማለት such a plus adjective or adverb plus singular noun question here question which is singular noun እንደዚህ ከሆነ such a that ወይም such እንጠቀማለን ለዚህ ነው ቀደም ሰው ብለን የመለስነው ማለት ነው exactly she asked me I had seen her kiss anywhere this is called reported question ነው ያ ዝም ብዬ የምትረዱት ይኸውላችሁ asked me ካለ reporting question verb ነው yes reporting question verb ነው reported question verb ነው if it is a reported question what kind of reported yes no question or alternative question echo question or emphasis or surprise question indirect question or what kind of WH question ይህን መለየት መቻል አለባችሁ she asked me I had seen her kiss I had seen ብዬ ሐሳቡን የምገልጽ ከሆነ basically ጥያቄው ምን ነበር simple past yes no question ነበር ማለት did you see ብዬ ነው did you see ለምሳሌ እንስጠይ she asked me yes did you see ብዬ የጠየቀችው ማለት ነው ይሄው ጥያቄው ይሄ ነው please this is the question please ይሄ ነበር ስለዚህ ይሄን ሪፖርት ታደርጉት if the question is yes no question ከሆነ አያያዥ ቃሉ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ነው ያለው if or whether እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው right ስለዚህ ምንድነው she asked me if I have seen her kiss everywhere she asked me whether I have seen her kiss anywhere if or whether as a conjunction which are the similar meaning with that in reporting statement he told me that an optional ነው እንደ reporting conjunction ስንጠቀም ጥያቄው ደግሞ yes no question ከሆነ እንደ አያያዥ ቃል የምጠቀምበት ማን ነው either if እንጠቀማለሁ ካልሆነ whether እንጠቀማለሁ አንድ አይነት ነገር ናቸው ይሄ ደግሞ ምን ማለት ነው ልክ what's called yes no question sense ይሰጠኛል ይሄን የምጠቀም ከሆነ ማለት ነው if I have seen her kiss anywhere ማለት ቁልፉን የትኛውን ቦታ ማየት አለማያቴን ጠይቃኝ ነበር ማለት ነው yes ማየት አለማያቴ ነው የሚሰጣቸው ትርጉም ለዛ ነው ይሄን የተጠቀመው ነው he enjoys belong to classical music while studying what enjoys here this verb pattern question ነው enjoys key question ይሄ ነው እዚህ ጋር ሌላው አይደለም ስለዚህ listening ነው የምትጠቀሙት ምክንያቱም ይሄ verb የሚወስደው structure ing ነው gerund ነው he enjoys listening to classical while studying ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት whenever he is in the middle of studying he most of the time enjoys listening music he never studies without listening music is his favorite recreational system recreational event actually he enjoys doing something repeatedly so that's why Enjoy is an exceptional verb, or it's a verb which always go with a gerund, not to plus listen, not the other forms of the verb. That's always true, please. Nice. Question number 19. Blank his help. We could have been late. Yes. Blank his help because his help. What's because? By the way, again, his help ማለት phrase no. Take care, please. It's a phrase no. It's a phrase no, please. His help. Alright? His help. What about thanks to his help? Is it possible to say thanks to his help? We could have been late. Yes? Thanks to his help, ካልኩኝ we could have been ልመልስ አልችልም አይደለ? Despite his late. ምንም እንኳን ቢያግዘኝም we could have been late ብዬ ልመልስ አልችልም። Right? Becausም structure ክሎዝ ነው ተከትሎ መምጣት ያለበት subject plus verb structure ይሄ የዚህ structure አይደለም ስለዚህ መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም ማለት ነው but for his help except for his help ማለት ነው but for his help ማለት except for his help would have been late right just right except for ማለት እሱ ባይረዳኝ ኖሮ ወይ ባይረዳን ኖሮ ልንዘገይ እንችል ነበር ነው ጥያቄው yes except for his help would have been late means but for her this definition please all right but for በራሱ ምን ይፈልጋል phrase ተከትሎ ነው የሚሄደው ማለት ነው because clause ነው ተከትሎ thanks actually thanks to incomplete ነው meaningful አይደለም it was blank documentary film that affiliated exactly ቅድም ያልኩት ጉዳይ መጣ እዚህ ጋር look here documentary and this one film by itself is called is a noun ስምን ነው መገለጽ የተፈለገው ጥያቄው ስለዚህ ማን ነው የምትሉኝ such a documentary film ነው የምትሉኝ because it is an adjective as I told you before please which basically modifies a singular noun because such a or such an by itself is just it indicates about a very specific noun please a very specific noun question number 21 by the time the teacher arrived the students blank the classroom exactly the same question with question number 1 very simple question by the time one thing which we most of the time use for past perfect as a conjunction which have similar meaning with when the teacher arrived here which is simple past it's true that simple past always go with past perfect past continuous past perfect continuous in simple past with simple past let's come here already left there is no auxiliary verb here so it doesn't go with already left the problem is just no auxiliary verb here this is have already left present perfect so it's never go with this structure had already left the past perfect correct meaning here and correct answer this is the first action please by the time the teacher or the students had already left the classroom we are arrived the classroom they had already left the classroom it's the first event is they had left the classroom the second is arrived at the classroom absolutely they use past perfect tense so the answer is exactly B she's one of the few people blank I can trust you yes right she's one of the few people which whom and who which for things animals objects whose for person and things animals but possession actually whom person but object of the verb it talks about not the subjective case but rather object of the verb or objective case actually yeah so the answer is here whom የሚለይበት object of the verb ነው የምንጠቀምበት ስለዚህ she is one of the few people whom I can truly trust right please who I can truly አይደለም sometimes whoና whom ተመሳሳይ አጠቃቀም አላቸው but in this case we prefer whom ነው የምንጠቀመው ለምሳሌ the teacher whom I met yesterday the journalist whom I interview or the journalist whom he interviewed last time was Persian journalist yes right whom if he black harder he would have passed the examination nice question ቀላል ጥያቄ ነው would have main clause with ብያችኋለሁ please main clause would have could have might have should have plus verb 3 or past participle ከሆነ unrecoverable unfulfilled unfinished or impossible condition መሆኑን መርሳት የለባችሁም ስለዚህ ይሄ ከሆነ ደግሞ past perfect first case ላይ ተጠቀሙልኛላችሁ please ይሄ form just like a physics or formula based English grammar question ማለት ነው because the first one has been completed by itself depending on the first or the completed question and used as a clue and you can just complete the next either the if clause or the main clause which is very easy so you have to be tactful to answer such kinds of very silly questions please nice question number not only blank the book but she also wrote a detailed review not only the question begins with not only did she read an inversion type of question please so the answer is C ብላችሁ የምትመልሱት ይሄን C ብላችሁ የምትመልሱት please question number 25 the proposal by the committee was finally approved reviewed having reviewed to review the proposal there is a comma between the main clause and the phrase here the proposal reviewed by right ነው የምትለው አይደል ልክ ለምሳሌ ይሄን የምንል ከሆነ ልክ ነው the proposal having reviewed by the committee ብዬ ልጀምር አልችልም ምናልባት መጀመር ካበለብኝ እንኳን having reviewed the proposal look it having reviewed the proposal I returned it to the research committee yeah having reviewed the proposal I returned it to the research committee perfect እንደዚህ ነው ኮምፕሊት ማድረገው reviewing ልክ እንደዛው gerund form ነው እዚህ ኮምፕሊት አድርገም the proposal reviewed by the committee means the proposal had or has already reviewed please I want to indicate that the proposal was reviewed indicate ማድረግ የፈለኩት ኤቨንቱ ድርጊቱ መፈጸሙ ማሳየት ስለተፈለገ ነው reviewed ማለት ሪቪው ተደርጓል በኮሚቴዎች was finally approved ሆነ የሚለውን ትርጉም ለማግኘት ስለተፈለገ ነው ስለዚህ ሎጂኩ ምንድነው it's already identified by a comma which was complete action in the past so I can just answer with simple past actually absolutely true here question number 26 she spoke with such confidence so አንልም አሳትሉም simply ማንም ተከብ ዛት ብላችሁ ምክንያቱም so that such and that ብለን ኮምፕሊት የምናደርገው question number 27 please this is also another question blank himself would have failed the project yes but for we have failed the project but for his help the same question with the previous questions next question hardly home when I started to rain heavily please yeah hardly did we arrive when it started to rain yes because here is simple past and the first case should be an inversion and it can be expressed in past perfect here ቅድም የሰጧችሁ ምክንያት ነው ይሄ hardly and inversion past perfect the conditional type 3 ለእንደነዚህ አይነት ኢቨንቶችም እንጠቀምበታለን the manager insists that the report by Friday yes the manager insists that the report blank by Friday be submitted is submitted was submitted and submitted be submitted the report be submitted or the report is submitted exactly so the answer is what the report is submitted which is present passive voice neither the teacher nor the students blank satisfied with the result look here neither the teacher nor the students blank satisfied with the result የጥያቄው የሰብጀክት ቨርብ አግሪመንት ፕሮብለም ነው ሁለት ጉዳዮችን እናያለን እዚህ ጋር አንድ አረፍተ ነገር በናይዘር ኖር ወይም በአይዘር ኦር ወይም በኖር በኦር ከተያያዘ ቨርቡ የሚወሰነው ለቨርቡ አጠገብ ወይም በቀረበው ስም ብቻ ነው የሚወሰነው ስለዚህ ለቨርቡ የቀረበው ስም ማነው ዘ ስቱደንትስ ነው ይሄ which can be written as plural form ነው አይደለ ይሄ ነው ኒረር ናውን ማለት ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ናውን plural ከሆነ ቨርባችሁ ሁሉ ጊዜ plural ይሆናል ማለት ነው ይሄ ነው ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት neither the teacher which is singular noun nor the students were satisfied with the result so the answer is actually were ይሄን ለምሳሌ እንደዚህ ባጠፋው እንደዚህ singular ባረገው the verb is what ማን ይሆናል መሳችሁ was ይሆናል ምክንያቱም the verb agrees with the neither ነው ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ይሄ plural ሊሆን ይችላል like this እንደዚህ ሊሆን ይችላል ይሄው እንደዚህ ሊሆን neither the teachers nor the student. It doesn't matter about whether the first noun is singular and plural, but it matters the nearer noun. That is called plural noun, please, here. As you know, where are good. Nice. 31. This is the third time you blank the same mistake. You made simple past and you have made present perfect and you had made past perfect. You make simple present. Nice, please. The question here is the third time it is. The third time. The third time is how many times has he made the same mistake? How many times has he made the same mistake? How much ብዬ መልሳለሁ። ይሄ ማለት ደግሞ ምንድነው? how many እና how much የሚለውን ጥያቄ ሊመልስልኝ የሚችል ቴንስ ብቸኛ ቴንስ only present perfect tense ነው። ምክንያቱም ሪዘልቱ ከአሁን ጋር ሊገናኝ ስለሚችል ወይም ስለሚገናኝ ማለት ነው። ምን ያክል ስህተት ምን ያክል ተመሳሳይ ስህተት ሰራ? 3 ጊዜ ያክል ተደጋጋሚ ስህተቶችን ሰራ ነው የምንለው። ሰርቶ ነበር፣ ይሰራል፣ እየሰራ ነው፣ በመስራት ላይ ነው አይደለም ነው። ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ያሰጧችሁ it shows about how many የሚለውን ጥያቄ የሚመልስልኝ ጉዳይ ስለሆነ ክሉ ፍንጭ የሰጠው ጉዳይ ነው። ስለዚህ have made exactly. She wished she blank more attention in class earlier. She wished, yeah, she wished. ሁለት ጉዳይ አለ wished ሁለት ጉዳይ አጠቃቀማለን። wish plus simple past, regretting the present. wish plus past perfect, regretting for the past ነው የምንጠቀምበት። ስለዚህ she wished አለ ማለት had paid, which is past perfect exactly and meaningful, please. She wished she had paid more attention in class earlier. Means I'm sorry or I regret about this. She didn't pay attention about the class last time. ምንም ትኩረት አልሰጠችም ባለመስጠቷ ሪግሬት እያደረገች ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ past perfect ብለን ነው የምንመልሰው። nice, please. take care, please. እዚህ ጋር simple past አለ አይሆንም፣ ምክንያቱም she wished here. she wished. that is question number 33. Only after locking the door he blanked that he had left his keys inside. You're right. Look here. Yes. Only after locking the door, just he realized that he had left his keys inside. Did he realize? He did realized he. So he realized exactly. ልክ ነው። ምክንያቱም ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር ያላችሁ ያለው he had left his keys inside. መጀመሪያ ቁልፉን ረስቶታል፣ እንደገና ደግሞ realized አደረገ። Only after locking the door he realized that he had left his keys inside. All right? ሲያረጋግጥ ቼክ ሲያደርግ እንደገና ቁልፉን ቢሮ ውስጥ ቆልፎበት ወይም ትቶት እንደወጣ realized አደረገ። realized ማድረጉ second action ነው። left had left first action ነው። totally the past perfect questions ነው ይሄ ጥያቄ። did he realize አይደለም። only after locking the door did he realize that it's wrong, please. The more exercise you do, the healthier. Parallel comparative, the healthier you will feel. By next December here, by next December, expected time in the future will have worked. The future perfect tense ማለት ነው የማለት future perfect tense ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። because I want you practice and develop and feel confidence if such kind of question will appear for your university entrance examination, please. It's imperative that subjective question, it's imperative that every candidate blank their own identification brings, because the speaker here is singular indefinite pronoun. Every candidate, we cannot say bring, whatever it is, or the question is subjective mood ቢሆንም እንኳን ይሄ ያረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ከቨርቡ ጋር አግሪ ማድረግ መቻል አለበት። ካላደረገ ሚኒንግለስ ነው የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ every candidate የሚለው subjective or subject which is singular no singular verb and it just brings የሚለው ነው። he brings, she brings, every teacher, every student brings. It's an individual. It talks about an individual, not in a group, please. My 37. So reason blank he was late is still unknown. The reason, the which are the relative pronoun which. Yes, for why we don't have this kind of relative pronoun. Why relative adverb ናቸው of which, of course, why ማለት ነው of which ማለት, but the right answer here is relative adverb which is why, please. reason የሚፈልግ ጥያቄ ነው ያረላ. The reason why he was late is unknown, please. Those layers still unknown. So the answer is why it is a relative adverb. So relative adverb what is why, when and where. Where it indicates place, when it indicates time, why it indicates reason. Here is reason here. Question number 38. She has a remarkable ability. Yes, she has a remarkable ability. Calm under pressure. Staying and to stay, for staying and stay. Staying which is gerund. Remarkable ability. Remarkable ability. Which one do you think is right? እነዚህ ሲና ሪቨርስ ሊሆኑ አይችልም. Either gerund form or an infinitive plus verb form. Yes, she has a remarkable ability to stay calm under pressure. To stay calm. To stay calm. She's not enjoying just staying calm ማለት አይደለም. The ability to stay calm under pressure. To stay, she has a plan to become, to stay calm, to become calm down. ፕላን ነው ኢንጆይ ማድረጓን ወይም pressure ሲያጋጥማት calm ታደርጋለች ማለት አይደለም ይሄ ማለት to stay calm under pressure. So the answer is here please. Number 39. Blank his age, he performs exceptionally well. Blank his age, he performs exceptionally well. Although ማለት contrast ሐሳብ ነው ተቃራኒ ሐሳብ ነው የሚያያይዘው. Despite often አይወስድም ስለዚህ wrong ነው ይሄ ስህተት ነው. Despite in spite of ጋር ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አላቸው ነገር ግን ስትራክቸሩ ስህተት ነው. Even is not contrast adverb አይደለም. ምን ነው መልሳችሁ? አንደኛ ስትራክቸሩ in spite of his age. In spite of his age. What his age is a noun phrase please. Noun phrase because age by itself is a noun. His is a possessive adjective. Noun phrase in spite of or despite go with noun phrases please. In spite of እና despite contrast adverb clause ቢሆኑም ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦችን ቢያያዙም ከኦልዞ ከኢቨን ዶ ከዞ ጋር ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አላቸው. ነገር ግን ምንድነው ፍሬዝ ነው ናውን ፍሬዝን ተከትለው የሚሄዱት. In spite of his age he performs exceptional. ምን ማለት ነው ማለት although he is old age ማለት ነው. Even though he is old age he performs exceptionally well. ምንም እንኳን እድሜው ትልቅ ቢሆን በተለየ ሁኔታ ፐርፎርም ማድረግ ይችላል ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ ይሄ ማለት despite his age or in spite of his age complete ያደርገዋል. Interesting, these are the 39 grammar questions. Actually some questions that I prepare are I prepare repeatedly because I want to give clear emphasis about on that question please. And you do and you practice and you answer for your entrance examination. I think this is the way that your entrance examination will be prepared please. And next one, vocabulary question. Actually vocabulary ላይ ብዙ ነገር ማለት ፈልጋለሁ. vocabulary ጥያቄ ስትመልሱ አንደኛ vocabulary ሐሳቡን መረዳት አለባችሁ. ሁለተኛ ፍንጭ ማግኘት አለባችሁ. ፍንጭ ሊሰጣችሁ የሚችሉ እዛ አረፍተ ነገሩ አካባቢ ላይ ፍንጭ ማግኘት መቻል አለባችሁ. ይሄን ሳትጠቀሙ መመለስ አትችሉም. ስለዚህ እሱ ነው አንደኛ ክሉ ማግኘት፣ ሁለተኛ affixation ተጠቀሙ፣ ሶስተኛ ፕራክቲስ አድርጉ፣ አራተኛ collocation ተጠቀሙ፣ አምስተኛ what is called grouping of words with the word that you know እሱን ተጠቀሙ፣ ስድስተኛ your prior experience ተጠቀሙ፣ ሰባተኛ grammatical structure of the sentence ተጠቀሙ፣ ስምንተኛ what do you know about the structure of the sentence. 10 ways አሁን የነገርኳችሁ ስትራቴጂዎች ነው ኢምፕሎይ የምታደርጉት እዚህ ይሄን ተግባራዊ ካላደረጋችሁ ግራመር ጥያቄ መመለስ አይቻልም ማለት ነው. Great please. The new vaccine is expected beyond the spread of Ebola so that there will not be new infections. አበቃ እዚህ ጋር ተመለሰ ጥያቄው። ይሄው እዚህ ጋር ተመለሰ። ይሄ ነው ኮንቴክስት ክሉ ማለት ነው። ኮንቴክስት ክሉ ማለት ለዚህ ጥያቄ ወይ ሊያሟላው የሚገባ ጥያቄ ለመክተት ይሄ ኮንቴክስት መረዳት there will not be new infections ማለት almost the new vaccine is expected to ምን ሊሆን ይችላል ብላ ታስባል prevent ሊሆን ይችላል or controlling ሊሆን ይችላል right or just overcoming ሊሆን ይችላል minimizing ሊሆን ይችላል ይሄ ማለት ነው ምክንያቱም new infected ወይ በበሽታው ሊጠቁ የሚችሉ new infected አይኖሩም ካለ ይሄን ጥያቄ የሚሞላላችሁ አሁን inhibit ማለት ነው yes inhibit ማለት prevent ማለት ነው liberate አይደለም generate አይደለም tolerate these are different means they do not go with the question ሶስቱ ምርጫዎች ከዚህ ሐሳብ ጋር ሊሄዱ አይችሉም ቅድም የሰጠኋችሁ grammatical structure-ን ተረዱ ያልኳችሁ ይሄ ነው he remarks very completely blank they have nothing to do with the topic yes yes please hear it he remarks were completely blank they have nothing to do yes exactly they have nothing to do with the topic በቃ እዚህ ጋር ነው አሁን ኔጌቲቭ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያመጣው he remarks were completely ምንድነው የሚለው በዛ ምክንያት nothing to do with the topic በቶፒክ ምንም ነገር መስራት አልተቻለም ነበር ነው የሚላችሁ look at relevant ማለት appropriate ነው relevant ከሆነ ይሄ ሊሆን አይችልም coherent ከሆነ ይሄ ሊሆን አይችልም concise አጭር ግልጽ ከሆነ ይሄ ሊሆን አይችልም ባጭር መልስ yes ይሄ ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት ደግሞ ምን ማለታቸው ነው divergent ማለት ነው right indirect ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት divergent or indirect not relevant irrelevant word ማለት ነው irrelevant idea ማለት ነው አግባብታል ይሄ ነው context clue ተጠቀሙ ማለት question number 42 please 42 the minister's resignation had a blank effect on the company's stock price yeah resignation has had a blank effect on the company's stock price profound effect shallow very thin effect yeah very thin yes what about trivial insignificant effect ማለት trivial ማለት insignificant effect what about this one profound which is profound here is profound ካላችሁ deep ማለት ነው critical ማለት ነው yes ሚኒስትሮች ከካምፓኒ ስቶክ ፕራይሱ ራሳቸውን የሚያገሉ ከሆነ ክሪቲካል የሆነ ኢፌክት አለው በካምፓኒው ፕሮዳክት ላይ ነው የሚላቸው ስለዚህ ኔግሊጂብል አይደለም ፕሮፋውንድ ማለት ዲፕ ኦር ክሪቲካል የሆነ ሴቨር የሆነ ሲሪየስ የሆነ ኢፌክት አለው በካምፓኒው ፕሮዳክት ላይ ሶ ዘ አንሰር ኢዝ ፕሮፋውንድ ብላችሁ ነው የምትመልሱት ሻሎ ማለት ምንም እንትን የለውም ነው ኢንሲግኒፊካንት ማለት ደግሞ እነሱ ወጡ ማለቱ በካምፓኒ ፕሮዳክት ላይ ለውጥ ያመጣም ነው ትሪቪያል ማለት ሶ መልስ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም እነዚህ right many students find the transition to university life but some students study carelessly question number 30 what 33 yes 33 yes 33 here is many students find the transition to university life blank some students study carelessly exactly so what is accelerating daunting effortless trivial insignificant ማለት ነው what about this one daunting means discouraging exactly discouraging ለዛ ነው እኮ ተማሪዎቹ careless ይሆን ስለዚህ ለኤግዚት ኤግዛም ይሁን ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም they don't give value they don't give pay attention about university entrance exam right because of some more reasons which are behind right so daunting means discouraging or maybe dissatisfying yes there is no motivating environment daunting means how can you answer the question some students study carelessly የሚለው context daunting የሚለው እንድመለስ አደረጋችሁ ሌሎቹ ሊሆኑ አይችሉም effortless አይደለም የሚሆነው the judges please yeah the judges yes the judges what's the judges here the judges blank decision ended the longest trial is a one-step change please right it's a one-step change ambiguous tentative definitive and what about hesitant judge's decision ended the longest trial is really a one-step yeah ስለዚህ ምንድነው definitive ማለት decisive ለማለት እኮ ነው ማለት decisive ነው እንዴት ማላችሁ it is a one-step change ማለት እዚህ ጋር positive impact አለው ማለት ነው right decisive የሆነ decision yes ስለዚህ tentative አይደለም hesitant አይደለም ambiguous ከሆነ ደግሞ ይሄን ኮንቴክስት ልታገኙት አትችሉም ambiguous something which is vague unable to understand so they cannot end the lengthy trial in a short time በጣም ረጅም ፕሮሰስ የሚወስደውን ጉዳይ በአጭር ሰዓት ሊመልሱ የሚችልበት ነገር አይፈጠርም so that is question number 45 here the new law aims to 45 the new law aims to blank the gap between rich and poor as a result one doesn't depend on others exactly please as a result one doesn't depend on others ይሄ ኮንቴክስት ኢምፖርታንት ነው ፕሊዝ አንዱ ሌላውን ተጠግቶ ወይም አንዱ ከሌለ አንዱ አይኖርም የሚል አስተሳሰብ አይኖርም። አዲሱ ህግ ያወጣው ወይም እንትን ያደረገው የሀብታምና የድሃን አኗኗር ወይም ምናምን ምን ያደረገ ነው የምትሉት? ዋይድን ካደረገ ነገር አይሆንም አይደል? ኢግኖር ካደረገ ይሄን ነገር አይኖርም። ናሮ ካደረገ ኦፍ ኮርስ ልክ ነው ናሮ። ስለዚህ በመጥፎ ምክንያት one doesn't depend on the others. Please emphasize አይደለም። So the new law aims to narrow the gap between the rich and the poor. So the answer is narrow. Exactly. Question number 46. 46, yeah. He gave a blank apology, which made the situation worse. Difficult, all right, complicated, complex. አደረገው censor. He gave a censor apology. No. Heartfelt apology. No. Positive meaning, you know. Grudging, yes. Grudging apology. Grudging apology. Gracious apology. The answer is grudging apology. Grudging by self is called ምን ማለት ነው? reluctant ማለት ነው ወይም unwillingness ማለት ነው። He gave a grudging apology means reluctant apology, so which made the situation worse. reluctant ማለት ከልቡ ሳይመጣ apologize አድርጎለታል። ያ ማለት ደግሞ የነበረውን ኮንቴክስት ሲቹዌሽን የበለጠ ከባድና ከባድ ያደርገዋል ነው እያላቸው። ስለዚህ grudging ማለት unwilling, or we can say that reluctant about something ማለት ነው grudging ማለት. Yes, right. The scientist's theory was met with blank from the academic community. Yes, the academic community. That's right. The scientist's theory was met with blank from the academic community. Skepticism, approval, enthusiasm, admiration. If you answer skepticism means yes. Skepticism means doubt or uncertain. Right? Doubt ማለት የሚያምታታ ወይም የሚያወዛግብ ጉዳይ ነው። እርግጠኛነትን የማይገልጽ ጉዳይ ነው የሳይንቲስቶቹ ቲዮሪ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ that is skepticism እሱ ነው ጽንሰ ሐሳቡ። approval አይደለም፣ enthusiasm አይደለም፣ ወይም admiration አይደለም። So the answer is skepticism. The old building with blank to make way for a shopping mall. Renewed ማለት ነው አይደል? Renovated means renewed actually. To make ways, yeah. To make ways. Renovate, renewed. Demolish, destroyed ማለት ነው። Cracked ማለት ነው actually. 49. She had a blank memory for faces. She never forgets anyone. A blank memory. A poor memory. She never forgets anyone. ማንንም ልትረሳ አትችልም ወይም አትረሳም። ምን አይነት ሜሞሪ አላት ነው እያላቻል። fallible memory, photographic memory, selective memory. Photographic memory ምንም የሚያሻማ ጉዳይ አይደለም። Photographic means vivid memory. She understands when she looks at someone, she understands her or his physical appearance, and she remembers who he is or who she is. We can say that photographic memory exactly. So these are the 49 questions. Hi, my friend is please. I have already prepared and it is on air beginning from this time. I think you can just watch the video and you'll like the video, share and subscribe and write comments please. I appreciate for to those who try to communicate with me and just ask some critical questions. That's a great change actually. Yes, that's a great change actually. And I think the same is true for this video. This will be the last video that I have published and which is going to on air, and that's enough for today please. Anyway, thank you for the time being. Thank you please.